In this video, I'll show you how you can upload a game thumbnail in Roblox. Now first, what you want to do is you want to head over to roblox.com, and from in here you want to click on create. This will take you over to the creator hub, which is create.roblox.com. In here, what you want to do is click on creations, select your place right here. Then what you want to do is you want to go on places on the left side, click on your place again. And from in here, you want to click on thumbnails. Now, once you're in here, you can choose to upload an image. You can choose to upload a video, which could be a GIF or something. Just keep in mind that this one costs Robux and the other ones are free. Or you can do an auto-generated image just by clicking here, and it's going to auto-generate an image when you click add thumbnail. Now, if you want to do a custom one, choose image, press upload image, and choose the image from your PC. Now, you probably have it saved somewhere, so just click upload image and find it in there, and make sure it's in one of these formats. Now, if you have another format, you can simply go on Google and type your format. Let's say you have, let's say PNG was not here, and you had a PNG, and it was not here, then you could just type PNG to JPG, and then you get a JPG file. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.